Okay. Those of you who have been saying you want to hear me say something in my videos, now you can hear my voice. I just didn't want to come in, start talking. I wanted you to enjoy the view, okay? But guess what? I can talk. I can talk. Okay. So just showcasing some of our lovely headwears, some of our nice sequin autogeles, with this one, what you see is what you get. Okay, no gimmicks. You either love it or you hate it. But gosh, look at this. There's no way you cannot fall in love with this. So easy to put on, and the pleats stay. You can use it for as long as you want. It's reusable, very easy to manage, very easy to store. So you've got nothing to lose. This will save you time. This will save you money, and energy as well, okay? Because you can see, you just put it literally with less than 1 minute, you're good to go, okay? So this is some of our trending pieces now from our headwear collection of Sequin Autogele. Fabric is Sequin, as you can see, all right? Okay, so very, very durable, this one, all right? Now, I'm going to take this off and put on the last one. I've got 4 pieces to show off tonight. I came prepared, ladies and gents, because I know there's some of my guys who also come here to pick 1 or 2 things for their partners, for their lovers, So let me show you the last piece I have for you tonight on the headwear collection. Okay, these are all samples that we use to do our product demos, basically. If you want any of these designs and even more designs, they are all online. www.loisnichols.com, okay? All online. Link in the bio. If you go to my page, link is in the bio. Okay? If you're watching on YouTube, okay, I've got my link in the comment section. I've got my number, my WhatsApp number. You can contact me, connect with me on WhatsApp, ask any questions, and you can also reach me on my number and on all my social media links. It's all in the comment section on WhatsApp. So let's do the last one. I love this because they are so they are lifesavers, when you want to save time. So I'm just trying to get it untied, the back bit, the little rope at the back. Okay, so here we go again. I just like, once you place it on, it just transforms, it just changes, literally transforms, once you put it on, literally transforms. Okay, here we go. What you do is do it to your taste, okay? There are some people, they like to still like tilt it backwards and but I think for me, this will do really for me. This will do really for me. But some people may want to still move it up, Some people would like it to come a bit, to the front. Whichever way you want to do it, it's your call, okay? You are in charge. With this one, you are in charge. You tie it at the back, okay? I don't want to make it too tight at the back, but if I was going out, obviously I'll tie it again, but because I'm going to take it off anyway. But yeah, so you tie it and you are in charge. Do what suits you, and you're good to go. Okay, so these are my 4 colors today. I've got the burgundy. I came with the burgundy, who actually matches what I'm putting on. Wow, can you see that combination? It's so sweet. And then the fuchsia, okay, fuchsia pink there, and the rose gold. Okay, this is the rose gold, and we've got the gold and black mix. Okay, gold and black mix. So you can't go wrong. These are trending colors, and they pick a lot of outfits. You can really, really, really use them to contrast your outfit. So these are quite trendy, and they are selling out fast on our website, www.loisnichols.com. Link in bio on the YouTube, link in the comment section. So if you have seen any designs here that you like, or you want to see more designs, trust me, when you go on our website, you'll be spoiled for choice, because we are a home for everything beautiful. Okay, so beautiful people love us. If you love anything beautiful, you will love www.loisnichols.com. com. All right, so these are just a few of my pieces tonight. I will be coming again to showcase some of my bangles, okay, like the one I'm putting on. All right, okay, so this I did do some yesterday or 2 days ago. I done some demos as well on my headwear collection. I don't know if I've posted it, but be rest assured I'll be posting everything on YouTube as we go on. I tend to do more postings on Facebook and Instagram, but don't worry, we're getting used to the YouTube now. Okay, hopefully we should be able to go live on this channel, you know, so very soon you'll be seeing more of me in this channel. Okay, but don't forget, if you like any of our videos, please like and subscribe. Okay, you may as well want to click the notification button, so anytime I pop on the screen, YouTube will pop it on your phone and then you can come join us. Okay, all right, until I see you again, I hope you love those pieces I've just shown you, and straight to the website. I love you.